Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix plugged in not charging laptop on Windows 11, 10. First method is power diagnostic troubleshooting. Second method is update battery driver. Third method is uninstall battery driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.